JKIA, Nairobi.
Jatend Migao mar arita kwe Profesa Kithure Kindiki kanyakla kod ogaye mar obila Jafeth Koome oluongo jodito moko 19 ma ichich go ni nyayo kendo siro njore mag kuo jamni e gwenge mag Rift Valley. Kindiki olero magi bang' romo kod jodongo kod jogweng' ma Lamu kaka yor manyo yore mag kwe makende e kind dhoudigo. Walter Nyambaga nigi ler mar wachni.
Kalore kod chal mar arita kwe gwenge ma Lamu, Mandera, Samburu Baringo kod West Pokot, Jatend Migao mar arita kwe Profesa Kithure Kindiki ochopo timo romo kod jodongo kod loch nanga mayudore gwenge mag mar okak kaka yor manyo kwe e kind dhoudi.
And we have forged a very cordial and good working relationship between security agencies, community leaders and elders. The government believes that the contribution of elders, community leaders and other stakeholders in this region is critical to securing Lamu, even as we move towards the festive season and beyond.
Kindiki ketayangani ogaye mar obila Jafeth Koome uchiwo samath ni ji 19 madito mamoko ma ichich godo ni kod lwede njore makwe jamni to kod ocho kwe gwenge makuro.
Just this morning we have already given notice to 19 persons and entities whom we believe are aiding and abetting terror, and we believe those persons and entities are engaged in terrorism.
Magiti mreka jotelo mawuok e kaunti ma Turkana ne odadhoge kod fomb kich bade manakuro ewi weche moko mawachore ne ochwere dhoge manyalo thuyo Uganda.
We've put it in black and white. We've let the government know some of these issues that are causing animosity in these areas. And as he has put it correctly, it is no longer cattle rustling as usual. It is now including land. There is this pressure of new counties. Some legislatures are pressuring government to bring new counties. And we were wondering, if you need a new county, then which land do you want to? I don't know.
Jotelo go kata kamano wuok tumusu kod sirikal kotentenet mayande otimo limbe gwenge mag Baringo kod counties molwore. Jodito go oko ni nitiere jotelo moko matemo laro kiewo mag counties e kendo kelo tulo kod achiedh nade.
The Senate committee cannot go to a village and tell the villagers this is your boundary. Those are lawmakers. There's no day they can go in a village and announce that this is the boundary for this tribe and this tribe, or this community and this community. So let's stop misleading Kenyans, talking about the Senate, talking about God. Let's respect God. God has never come down here to do the issue of boundaries. God is in heaven.
Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV.